Epernay is a soft ochre with gentle mineral undertones. Think sunlit stone rather than yellow. It feels warm, grounded, and quietly elegant. It's a colour that was prominent in European interiors during the Beaux-Arts and neoclassical periods and was admired for its versatility, warmth, and connection to the natural world. Today, we're seeing it re-emerge in contemporary design, bringing age-old elegance into modern spaces. Our En Terre palette for 2026 features a collection of colours that honour a deep movement towards heritage, craftsmanship, and mindful design. They remind us of those familiar yet forgotten moments that ground us in a world that moves so fast.
Most of the colors that we put together for our Naturals collection for C2 Paint have really come from the natural world outside the window. I live on a 300-acre farm in Virginia, and you see these colors through the windows and bring them through those very windows to the interiors to live with them at night and all the day round.